Okay, make sure you are sitting in a quiet spot, ready to work. This is your show what you know, so you should be working on this on your own. I'm going to read the story to you, and then you're going to fill out this graphic organizer. You're going to write down who the characters were, the setting, and then you're going to tell me what happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. Remember, when you tell me the beginning, middle, and end, I don't want you to copy down the whole story. I just want you to pick out the main thing that happened in the beginning, and then what happened in the middle, and then how the story ended. So you can pull out a sentence or so, or put it in your own words for the beginning, middle, and end. Okay, go ahead and track with your finger as I read, because you might need to go back into the text to fill out this graphic organizer. It says, Connie is a police officer who works in Dallas, Texas. She does her very best to keep the people in Dallas safe. One day, Connie saw a bad guy running down the street. Connie started chasing after him. She didn't want him to get away. When she finally caught up to him, Connie put him in handcuffs and took him to the police station where she worked. Connie was happy that she was able to catch the bad guy and keep everyone safe. So you're going to tell me who the characters were, the setting, and then what happened in the beginning, the middle, and the end. You only have 2 lines for each, remember, so just tell me the most important pieces for the beginning, middle, and end. It shouldn't be more than about a sentence. If you need to hear the story again, just re-listen to this recording. Good luck. Make sure you put your name up here and keep this in your binder because your teacher will be looking for it because it is a grade.